Mark the Meerkat here with the two trades of the day. That's right, both of them are on TRIP, T-R-I-P. Here it was at opening, and it had earnings this morning. Just bam, it was down, and then it continued to fall. Wasn't called out in our room. It wasn't on our initial list. Then someone called it out. When we see the setup here, it was in a descending triangle. While we were getting the trade set up, it then started to do a low base just below that lower line of support. Set a trade, let the market come to us. Let's see here if we got ticked in or not, and sure enough, we are now in short here at 47.63. That's right. Let's stretch this out a little bit here so we can watch this one. So now I'm going to set a 1% stop just up here above this support and resistance line right there. And let's see. Oh, look at that. It's a good thing I was just above it. It came up here. Big, huge, wide candle there. And then it just added to base here for a while. Look at the volume when it was doing all this. Couldn't decide whether it wanted to go up or if it wanted to go down. And then, bam, it started to fall down here right to the even $47 area. Look at that, resting right here at $47. So I set up a half order to cover, and I'm pulling my stop down here in the money above this 20 moving average, and on the full stop until I'm out half, and then bam, it's down here. I go ahead and I got out half here at 702 for 1.3% on that first half. Then I pulled my stop down a little bit here, just again staying above that 20 moving average here, and it's just floating around down here. Oh, better move it up here so we can see the rest of it there. And it started to pierce down below the 47, and bam, went all the way down here to 46.50. Cool, cool, cool. Bringing my stop down here now up to 27.10, and now it's now this 20 moving average is down there. We have this, again, this even $47 amount. I want to keep my stop just above that area as major resistance for it to come back up and giving it a chance to drop. And then I pulled it down, and I'm out here at 46.77 for 1.8% on the second half. So let's look at this whole short trade first. It was a descending triangle, ended up being just a low base, dropped down. When it stopped at an even dollar amount and stalled there for a long time, I took out half. When it dropped down and it popped back up above that 20 moving average, it took me out. Total trade 1.5% in 42 minutes. That one took a little while, but now the markets were starting to reverse at this point. We're now getting to the end of the morning. We just trade from 9:30 to 11:30 market time, and we were just about ready to wrap it up here about 11:15, and it formed this bull flag, this pinching bull flag right here. So I set a trade, get ready to go long on this one here. Boom, boom, boom. I didn't get in until 47.37. I was setting up that long trade as it broke out, because we were just wrapping it up for the day here. It ran on up here. Look at it, all the way to $48. Boom, just like that. So I went ahead and I had set up a half order to sell half, and I did after it perched way out there on big volume. I went ahead and I took out at 48.08 for 1.5% on the first half. Then I pulled my stop up here underneath the 48 even dollar amount area, and then it dropped down right here. Bam, got me out here. I was at 47.94 on my stop, but it filled me at 47.92 for 1.2% on the second half. So again, this total trade, we're in a bull flag. It broke out with additional volume, and then when it went up here at 48, I took out half on that immediate pop, and then it did snap back down below that 8 EMA and took me out for a total trade of 1.3% in just 8 minutes on that one. So between these two trades, we had 2.8%. This was just 2 of 15 trades that we had today in the Grok day trading chat room. Here, let me show you our log for today. Again, we were doing TVIS, and again, we had 15 different trades today, and here we are. This trip trade was the last one right there that I just showed you, and trade number 11. But we had several other trades, including a 3% trade here on NVTA. That one was moving big here early in the morning. Now, so what did we do from overall percentage wise? We 10 out of 15 trades for 66%. That exceeds our 60% target. And then we had 0 errors today. We were trading well. And then our net for the day, we had a 5% target. That's return on risk, and a 10% stretch goal. We were at 10.6%. Now, what we mean by return on risk is if you invest at $10,000 per trade, then and we have a 1% automatic stop there. We're risking $100 per trade, but for every 1% we make on the model portfolio, that would be $100. So in this case, we made just over $1,000 here this morning, working from 9:30 to 11:30 market time. Hey, if you'd like to join us in the Grok Day Trading Chat Room, you can. Just go to groktrade.com. That's right, groktrade.com. And we have several things you can be looking at here. And you can go to the day trading chat room right there. Here's the day trading chat room page. If you'd like to see the results for all of my trading, my entire year of 2018, here's a video outlining that. Again, in our chat room, we go from we start at 9 o'clock to find the stocks we want to trade, and we go till about noon at the latest. Trading a core trading time is between 9:30 and 11:30, and then and again, I call out all the trades that I'm in. You can see the log sheet where I'm keeping track of where I enter. I'm also calling out where my stop is and where I'm managing my stop to, and the reason why I'm putting it there. And other people are getting in on all the trades I do, and there are other people in the room calling out trades, or at least calling up charts that have potential trades on them throughout the morning. It's great to have more and more eyes on the market. You can join us on a monthly basis, and you know, 7-day free trial for 5 trading days. Be with us again. Every day is a different day, and see if our trading system might work for you and add to your trading, or you can go for an annual membership. Now, if you'd like to know more about that, there's a special price on the annual membership. Just go through this how to win a day trading. It's a free webinar. Why pass up a free webinar here regarding some of the secrets to day trading, and at the end of that, well, for even a more special rate for a full year, even a lot lower than that other price is there right now. And again, it's a 7-day risk-free trial. Trade with us for 5 calendar days, and let's see if it works for you. If not, hey, no harm, no foul. Hey, this is Mark the Meerkat. Hey, just remember that we trade what we see, not what we think, in the Grok Day Trading Chat Room. That's why I went both short and long on a position, because I traded what I saw. Trade well.